Let me hit it slow motion. If you keep it up,